Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping fast. Confirm battery and free storage so recording won't stop mid-take. Next, choose the mic input and set 44. 1 or 48 kHz for clear playback. This balances quality and file size. Place the mic 6 to 12 inches from your mouth and angle slightly off-axis to reduce plosives. Once done, do a short test phrase and check levels so you're not peaking. Make sure monitoring, or indicators, are active before moving on to the main take. You now fine-tune the internal settings to capture a clean sound. Reduce or raise gain until loudest words land around -12 to -6 decibels. That gives headroom for spikes. If you hear low-frequency rumble, enable the low-cut filter to remove it without harming voice clarity. Use a hardware or software limiter only if necessary to stop clipping. Limiters change dynamics, so monitor while you tweak. Once satisfied, run another spoken test and listen critically to ensure tonal balance and transient response are correct. You finish by saving and securing the recording. Name the file clearly and make a backup to avoid lost takes. Choose WAV if you plan to edit, or export MP3 for quick sharing and normalize only after edits. If you encounter problems, troubleshoot systematically. Reposition the mic, add a pop filter, swap cables, or test another input to isolate hardware issues. If hiss or interference continues, try a different room or enable noise reduction in post. Always retest.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.